All right, what's up, YouTube? We back, baby. We back with another video today, guys. Took a little time off for the holidays, but we back on it. We out here today, folks. So we got a job, HSD only. We got to run a new drop in the backyard. Pretty easy job, folks. So we about to get it in, guys. So follow along with me, guys, as we go on this journey. Another episode coming to you from the Cable Guy Chronicles. We out here, guys. It's cold, man. It's cold today. It's winter time, so you know it's about 15, 17 degrees out right now. So you know I'm cold, man. But we gonna get it in, folks. Stay tuned. More footage to come. More videos to come. But we out here, guys. That's the truck, baby. All right. Next time you guys see me, I'm gonna be in the backyard. So stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, guys, we headed around to the backyard. So y'all got what I got to do. Pretty basic. Backyard. Already got my ladder set up at the tap. Tap right there. Got to go up top. House right here, key hook already installed, so we gotta pretty much go up there and hook them up. Watch out for the little doggy poop in the grass. My drop's already connected. Oh. Alright, guys, so we about to hit up on this ladder. We about to cut the old drop down, put up a new drop. Just for the hell of it. We out here, folks. We out here. Alright, guys, let's head up top. Let's run this new drop, baby. Alright. Uh-oh, we got a little killer over there. We got little killers. We got some little killers over there. Little footage. Alright, guys, we headed up top here. Gonna put that old drop down right there. Tap right there. Here. We up here, guys. So first things first, put my safety gear on real quick. Stay tuned. 1 minute, I got a strap on. Little killer on there, little killer. Alright, guys. We about to cut this old drop off. We about to hook up our new drop. We out here, folks. Trying to get you guys the best footage we can get. Down. That's how I normally take off a P-hook. Hold that. Going down there. Uh-oh. I'm all in the camera view. All right, guys.
Killer. Get over here.
Some little killers up there.
Charlie.
Alright, guys, I'm about to put up I gotta put up Hey. 1 second, guys, while I put this put the mid-span clamp on. Gotta clamp that to the hard line right here, guys. Alright. Hey. Installing the mid-span clamp. Let's not turn it on. We up here, baby. We up here. Alright, mid-span clamp and start. Alright, now we gotta open up the port. Alright guys, I'm about to take the terminator off. So you guys see what I'm doing. Take one of them bitches off right there. Definitely don't want to drop my tube down there with that little killer dog down there, baby. Come on off of there now. All right. Tube belt. Putting up a little weather protector booty on there. I'll zoom in and let you guys see that 1 second. Let me just get this shit on. Come on, baby. New drop. Right here. Hook him up to the alright. Plugged in. Now we gotta plug him up. We got our tag on it. Plug him into the tap. Trying to get you guys the best footage I can get you. Alright, screw that in. Cable Guy Chronicles, y'all. We out here. Tube belt. Wrench. Tighten him up. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Plugged in. New drop. Hooked up to the hard line. Mid-span clamped on. Drop is there. Alright. Alright, guys. House is behind me. So now we got it connected at the house. And we be done with this drop, baby. Episode coming to you from the Cable Guy Chronicles, y'all. We out here. But yeah, you know, safety first. We strapped up. We got our safety gear on. Safety belt right there. Safety gear is around the pole. Alright. Alright, guys. We headed down. Exclusive. Cable Guy Chronicles. Unstrap my safety gear. I am gonna give me like a little head mount that I can mount my phone, that I can be hands-free with it. Alright, guys. I'm going down, baby. Take your time. Don't want to slip down and hurt myself. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We was just up top. Now we got New roller cable right there. T-hooks is up top there. Alright guys. So now we got to go up top here. We at the house now. But we at the house now, guys. We about to put our drop on the P-hook. Alright guys. P-hook has been installed on the house. We'll put that inside of the house box. Drop is up there, folks. Boom. Y'all see that? We ran it all the way over there. Alright, folks. And that's how you run a drop from the pole to the house, baby. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. Cable Guy Chronicles. Show you guys what it looked like. Finishing product right there, guys. Bam. Done deal. All right, guys. Stay tuned for the next one, baby. Another episode coming to you from the Cable Guy Chronicles. We out for now. Peace.